You come play with your puppy? Huh?
Red heart.
Come play with it.
I love you. Heart. Red heart. Peekaboo, I see you. Hand.
The other hand is what does the music.
Green hand. Yay! Hand. It's a great big colorful world out there. Everything's got a color that it can wear. You see red and orange and green and blue. There's yellow, pink and purple too. You find different shades wherever you go. In this colorful world I know. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. Join with me and count to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh yes, and 1 through 10.
Yay! Look at. Bye-bye.
Hug me. Red heart. I love you. Foot. Heart. Red heart. I love you.
Yes! Good job!
Willow! Come here. Come here, Willow.
See Mama.
Hi, Willow. Come here.
To Mama.
Hi, Willow.
Hi, Willow.
Oh, my.
Send her back. Come on back. Whoa, sidestepping.
Where you fell?
Yeah.
Can you turn around?
Come on, Pumpkin. Come on.
She's like, well, I'm walking.
Yeah! Walk and chew. Here, let's take this. Starts Mama. Whoop.
I am perfect.
Did you poo-poo? You have poo-poo? Did your diaper change?
Look at you.
Texting and walking already.
Excuse me while I text.
Look how little she is. She's so tiny.
You're texting
She looks way